It is now time for us to practice some of our during reading skills. Good readers monitor their comprehension by asking and answering questions during reading. And what that means, what the word monitor means, it is you are watching and you are aware of and keeping up with your comprehension. Your comprehension is your understanding of what you've read. You monitor by asking and answering questions while you are reading. So over here on the side, just like on our other slides, we have some right there questions and some inferential questions. You are going to sort through the right there questions and the inferential questions while you are listening to Finding Winnie. So you're going to stop the story and answer the questions while you read. This will help you monitor your comprehension. So our questions are: what or who is the story about? What are the important events in the story? When and where did the story happen? Why did blank happen? And how did blank happen? So I want you to, in your notebook, you're only required to answer two out of these three right here, since these have blanks and I don't want you to have to fill in the blanks. So you're going to answer two out of these three, but make sure that you are moving all of your boxes to either the right there questions column or the inferential questions.